this red light so I can come up and swing some nights.
Jockeys. Circle.
When the band starts,
Set out.
watch the
Another set out.
then your heart
So
starts.
turn.
Boy, come on,
5, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whip it. Whip.
wag the
Inside turn.
drop,
Another whip.
then
Texas coming.
what the
Push
jive
it.
starts telling
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whip it. Whip. Scooty. Scooty back. Everyone inside. Charleston. Off step. Hand on hip. Kick. Turn. Kick. 1, 2, 3, and turn. 1, 2. Solo. Ball, let's go. Next partner. One. Two. Three. Four. Change places. Start to the outside. Next. Over on turn. Whip. Circle. Down, out. Rock, step, down, up, down. Great job. So I'm taking. So I know I can.
so I can come up and
Okay.
swing.
So now, Janice, we're not going to meet halfway. We're going to meet in open space. Okay? We're going to, because I'm seeing people are not getting around. Right? So, I'm not really worried about going to the other partner when it's a four-person team. Okay? I just want to go rock, stick, kick, and kick. Just work yourself around the circle. Rock, stick, kick, and kick. Rock, stick, kick, and kick. 4. And then just move like 4 paces, and that's it. Then come back. Because the gears will be like this, and then back. That's fine. Okay. I'm not worried about this 4100 as far as what we're going to do in 2014. I want to see what it takes to take a 4-couple team and move it around, right? How far should we go? So I'm not worried about getting my ass all the way over there now. Rock, stick, kick, kick, and kick. Boom, that's it. Rock, stick, kick, kick, and kick. Yeah, then I'm the real person at that time. Yes. Yeah, and that's far enough because now I know, I went 180 degrees, and that just killed me. So I want to be able to go 90 degrees and work my way back, right? Yeah. So imaginary person, right? Yes.
Because if we were splitting the middle, we only go right there.
Yeah. Yes.
So we're only going.
Yeah. So the goal.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
I'm using this to inform the future of when we only have one couple. Because I guarantee you, we're going to have 10 couples doing this when we go somewhere. We're going to a senior home to perform. We get hired from some other place to go form. Right, senior dance. Most likely, we're not going to have 10 couples. We're going to at least have 4. So if it's 4 or 5, that's fine, right? Then we can do this routine, right? The other routines don't require that many people. This I take a minimum of 4 when I work it out. So who wants to do it next? Let's do it. Let's do it one more time. I want to do it with the revised way of turning. Revised way of turning. Let's go.
Well, tell me, Jack, what's this place like? So I can come up and swing some nights.
I'm not going to call it.
When the beat starts stomping, when the band starts drumming, watch the folks start jumping, then your heart starts thumping.
Great job. Yeah.
Well, tell me, Jack, what's this place like? So I can come up and swing sometime. Well,
That was awesome.
Where's Sean? Sean and Whitney need to come in.
I'm not calling it out.
well, tell me, Jack, what's this place like? So I can come up and swing some night. Well, the beat starts stomping. When the band starts romping. Watch the folks start jumping. Then your heart starts thumping. Boy, come on and jump with joy. Wag your feet, pull the pants. Grab the book on the penny. Let yourself go frantic. When the giant starts standing. Boy, come on and jump with joy. Go there.
Great job. Good done.
Awesome.